film, but
big margarita, you know what I mean?
If you got
Fly shit.
old school hip hop.
H-Style on my cap, baby, represent. We got Brianna in the house.
he's like, let me take
Brianna
out
say,
that cap.
let me take out my cap. Making a cameo.
What up?
What's up? I'm making kind of like an Alfredo sauce, shrimp stuffed potatoes with a salad on the side.
When you first told me this, I thought it sounded crazy.
This shit about to be fire. Trust me. The ingredients are my always go-to salad: bell peppers, onions, and celery. This is green onion, potatoes wrapped in foil, chopped garlic, about 3/4 of a lemon, sliced finely, shaved Parmesan cheese, heavy whipping cream, sea salt, black peppercorns, which is black pepper, parsley, always Creole seasoning, everything else with Creole, garlic powder, cream cheese, my new favorite, avocado oil, and some white wine, just to give it a little taste. You know, put y'all some
Wine and food?
Wine and food. Yep. When you next level, go with wine and food. Oh, and also I'm boiling broccoli like last time. I just like put the broccoli in because it just adds a little more food so you can feed everybody. You know, it's good quarantine. We're trying to use all our food and have a little green in our food. And you know, it's just good to have. And healthy. I'm about to peel these and they're gonna go into the cast iron skillet. So I had baked potatoes in the oven at 350 degrees for 60 minutes. I'm about to pull these out and put them on a pan. They're gonna be slightly hot. Just place them on there, just grab them all up. They should be soft. You can check if they're soft enough by doing this. Take your knife. You'll be able to do that. They're soft enough. See that knife go straight through? So I turn the oven down and I'm about to put them back in there in the pan so they stay warm when the food's ready, because the shrimp is not going to take long to cook. I'm about to put the oil on the cast iron skillet, and when they get hot, I'm gonna add the bell pepper, onion, and celery. Probably know. Let's drop them in there. And you wanna like squish them around. You have to squish. You wanna squish them around because the Holy Trinity needs to get deep within the shrimp. You want the Holy Trinity in the shrimp to do their thing. And also I'm searing the shrimp so they got a little, you know, hard on the outside, soft on the inside. Chardonnay. Got a little Chardonnay in there. And it's not gonna really be alcohol when you give the kids. Cause when a bubble like that, that's the alcohol cooking out of the Chardonnay. I'm gonna take my lemon. I'm gonna throw lemon in there. So I want the lemon to be on the shrimp too. Let that cook out. Let the bubbles really get, you can smell the alcohol coming out of there now, right? Mm-hmm. You know, you smell alcohol on people. It's kind of like how you smell alcohol on people. It's cooking out of it. Switch that around. Now all the flavors get in there. So now I didn't season my shrimp on purpose because I don't want to over season it, because at the end of the day, we're gonna add seasoning as we go to taste. When I add every flavor in here. I'm just gonna get a good couple of those sea salt. I'm gonna add the black peppercorn to my hand so big. That's what I'm gonna do my fingers like that. I'm not throwing those things fast. Too bad, Net. Kind of like lemon pepper. I know y'all black folk out there like lemon pepper. That's that Tony Sacharoni. Yeah, that's that yeah with the yeah. And the garlic powder, just fresh garlic powder too, just opened it. Add that enough. A little parsley. We're gonna be putting this in a couple times, but I want parsley flavor in the food. And now, that's been cooking for a little while. I'm gonna switch my ship around. Get all the flavors in there together. Heavy whipping cream mix. I'm not, can't tell you how much, but just about that much. And it really depends on how loose you want your sauce to be on top of your potato. I won't mind about that loose. And when you add cheese, it's gonna thicken it up too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my shaved Parmesan cheese.
What happened to your finger?
I cut it. Shaved Parmesan cheese over the top. I just want to cover every piece with cheese. There's cheese everywhere. Alright, so I'm going to take some of this cream cheese. Just a bit. I'm going to drop that in there too. I'm going to let everything just cook down. Garlic. I'm going to just sprinkle it in and let that cook in there right now. And the garlic just gonna boil down. The reason why I didn't put the garlic in early is because garlic burns super fast. So if I would have put that garlic in with the bell pepper, onions, my bad, with the Holy Grail, Holy
Trinity.
Holy Trinity. Oh, I kind of like Holy Grail better actually. We call it the Holy Grail. With the Holy Grail, they would have burnt. Because they can't stay in there that long. And so I'm putting them in right now so we get the maximum flavor. Take this, empty it. I'm gonna take half of these green onions and I'm gonna sprinkle it on there because I want green onion taste in my food. And the other half is for plating the baked potatoes. So that's just adding a little flavor. Now I'm putting the broccoli in behind that. And I take my spoon and I just make sure the broccoli gets in there too. Because you want every inch to have your sauce on it. There we go. What you think this is gonna taste like on top of a potato?
Now it sounds good. I wasn't sold at the beginning.
Yeah, you good. So I'm about to cut the potato. It's sitting in the oven, it's warm. I'm gonna cut the potato in half. Now we're ready to plate. Our sauce is done. We're gonna sit these next to each other like that. And what I usually like to do is take a fork and just break it down a little bit. See how soft it is. And I'm gonna grab some butter. And I'm gonna spread them around. Less is more, always. Spread that around. This is warm. I'm just gonna grab a couple shrimp, some broccoli, you know, and we just pour a little bit on there. And now that's dressed. Let's get a little more broccoli on there. So in this meal, you have everything. You got your starch, you got your shrimp, and you got a vegetable in there. And it tastes great. Cheese, all that good stuff. So instead of adding like another heavy side, I'm just gonna put salad with this because this is already heavy itself. I got pecans, carrots, and a spring mix salad. Some of my green onions, and I'm just gonna drop some. The potato will be soft, shrimp will cook perfectly, and that broccoli is, you know, especially in this climate, you need your vegetables. So for real, Jay, you cook too?
Yeah.
Oh, you can't fuck with me. Trying to tell you, look at that right, look at that. Hey, I'm that jam with the jam.